Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing and I've got the Boots the Festival Edit limited edition beauty box. This box was released a couple of days ago. It's still available on the Boots website. It retails for £40 and has a value of £103.27, I think it says. It doesn't say on the box. I'll pop a link to this box down below in my description. I managed to get a couple of pound off. If the codes are still available while I'm working, you'll find it underneath the link to this box. Plus you'll find all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. It contains 15 products and 7 of them are full size. So let's get on to showing you then what's inside. Just have to say, the box is really smart. That is a nice keepsake box. There's no writing on it. It's just a nice size. If you like keeping boxes, that is. Give you a sneak peek first. Alright then, it's the first time I'm actually seeing the contents. There's no information in the box, but if you want to learn a little bit more about each of the products, then you will find them on the Boots website. Starting off, we have got a ARKIVE, the Reset Dry Shampoo by Adam Reed. There's 200 mils there. You can just make out the writing on the side. I don't think I've tried any products from Adam Reed before. So yeah, this is quite fancy. It looks really smart. So anyway, I don't know what it's like on your hair. Ultra fine dry shampoo cleanses and refreshes with rich starch to absorb excess sebum and baobab oil to soften the scalp. Don't be scared. This is just to make sure your scalp stays nourished. This is the ultimate deep cleansing wonder for when your hair needs a refresh and it smells like no one else. See? Whoa! It shoots out like a rocket. No, that's just hit the other side of the room. I can't smell that. No, I can't smell it. It's a dry shampoo anyway. We have got a hair dye. This is to dye your hair peach. And this is by Shrine. Multi-use, non-permanent hair dye drops. Create any shade. Add drops to any conditioner. I really like this. As I've got ginger hair, I am actually dyeing it a little bit darker next week because I'm going away and I've got hair extensions and they're a little bit darker, so I have to dye my hair a little bit darker to match the hair extensions. But then when I'm ready to dye my hair again, then I'll go back to a bright ginger. But yeah, no, this is good. This is great as a top me up, like a refresh. I haven't used Shrine before. New and unique, up to 30 uses per bottle. Colour lasts 2 to 10 washes. Vegan and cruelty free. And look at the bowl. Look at the little bowl. And you've got a little spatula. And then your dye's in there. What's it look like then? Is it bright orange? Ooh, yeah. Can't really tell much. It is quite orange though. But I love that they put that in here. It's a little bit different. So we've got some hair dye drops. Oh, we've got Cheirosa. Brazilian crushed Cheirosa. It's a body spray by Sol de Janeiro. And this is beautiful. Proper summer scent. And it's pistachio and salted caramel. How big are you? Does it say? 30 mils. Oh, it's a nice little size. Travel size as well. That is so nice. So nice. We've got some firming eye patches. These are by Patchology, serve chilled on ice. It contains peptides, cloudberry oil, bakuchiol, and you can see results in 5 minutes. I love Patchology. I've got a box of the, well, I say a box, it's a tub of the gels, and you just pull out an individual gel whenever you need them. Really great if you put them in a fridge before use. So I haven't had these though, firming eye gels. It just sounds really great. So yeah. I like that. Then we've got a Benefit 24-hour brow setter. It's a shaping and setting gel for your brows. I've been using this for years. I do really like it. The gel is amazing. It does keep your brows in place. The only thing I don't like about it, and I say this all the time whenever I receive these in boxes, I don't like the brush. Now the brush is great if you've got big brows, maybe. I've got really sparse brows and they're short. So I need a more of a grippy brush to grab hold of them, you know, more like a mascara wand type brush to really push into the eyebrows. But I still use it because I really like the formula. Oh, Shiseido, beautiful brand. What's this? This is Yuzu C Beauty Sleeping Mask, Moisture Charge, 15 mils. So yeah, it's a sleeping mask. Just a subtle scent. apply as the last step in your nighttime skincare routine and leave on overnight. There's that. Then we got a Boots Glow. This is a banana toner. Smooths the skin for a healthier glow. There's 100 mils there. Oh, why is it banana? Oh, right in, so small. Our Boots Glow Toner with banana extract helps to refine the appearance of pores and smooth the skin. Okay. Does it smell of banana? Oh my gosh, it does. That just smells like a banana milkshake. Oh, wow. Is it really liquidy? Yeah. You can't see it, but it's like water. It just smells of bananas. That is so nice. So you got a toner. There's lots of little things in this box. Oh, we got a Huda Beauty lipstick. This is a Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in Perfectionist. I'm wearing a Huda Beauty lipstick today. Is it the same colour? I don't know. What have I got? Yeah, I've got it literally there. Ah, Sweet Talker. That's what I'm wearing today. It's not too bad today. Normally with a Huda Beauty lipsticks I have to apply a tiny bit of lip oil in the middle because they can be quite drying. But I love them. I absolutely love them because they're so long lasting and they feel quite lightweight on the lips as well, which I really like. But no, I haven't got any gloss on today. But this is Perfectionist. I think I have had this in other boxes before. But I'll give you a swipe to show you a swatch. Yeah, it's really nice. A nice rosy colour. Got a liquid matte lipstick. Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, long lasting, and there is 15 mils there. How cute is that? That is so cute. I love this setting spray. It's my favourite setting spray for longevity. After you've done all your makeup steps and you might set your face with powder, it can look a little bit like dry looking. Oh, no, with this and others obviously. That's what sprays do to your face. They're supposed to like fix your makeup. Well, you've got fixing sprays or you've got setting sprays. Essentially, they all like sort of melt your makeup into your face and make you look flawless and beautiful. But I just love this. It's just really long lasting. We'll always use that. What have we got here? We got a Fenty Beauty Heat Glass Bomb Heat Universal Lip Luminizer and Plumper in shade Hot Cherry. Oh, I love a vibrant colour. Wow. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, look how juicy that is. So, so nice. It's got the smell. It's got the smell of plumpers. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like it. It's like deep heat. So you know it's gonna swell up your lips. It has got a bit of fruitiness mixed in with it, so it's not as bad. Got a Boots number 17. This is a gel eyeliner, waterproof, and it's black. No, it's not. It's white. Why did I think it was black? I love a white eyeliner. Oh my gosh, I've had the same white eyeliner. It's a L'Oreal Paradise one. I've had it for years. Years and years. Let's try it. I know I haven't got anything on my finger there. Yeah, it's come out better. Can you see what I mean? It's not that, it doesn't come out well there, but I've got no creams on my finger. So it's come out there. So nice for an inner rim eyeliner, or great for like graphic eyeshadow looks, eye looks then, you know, adding a pop of white here and there. Yeah, no, I like that. I love the fact that it's really small eyeliner. Next, oh, I had this in a recent next box. This is It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. It's a moisturiser. It's suitable for all skin types. And it's a, yeah, transforming moisturiser super cream. I haven't used it yet. I've got to take a photo for Instagram. It did feel nice on my hand, but obviously hands and face different, so we'll have to wait and see. I've got moisturiser there. Then NARS, we have got blush in shade Behave. So it does make a change from the Orgasm, which we always seem to get. Oh look, so cute, so cute, little minis. Ooh, look. Okay, let's try a little bit on there. There, can you see? That's nice. A nice subtle peachy blush. Oh, I like that. Got a blusher. Then we've got Shiseido again. This is a mascara. Controlled Chaos mascara, maybe. That's the outer packaging. And there, let's see the wand. Wow, it's a massive wand. I'm sure I've tried this one before. Can't remember. I try mascaras all the time. But yeah, Mascara by Shiseido. And then lastly, we have got here, this is a natural hydrating sunscreen. Brilliant, I love a sunscreen, by Grown Alchemists, SPF 30, and there is 50 mils here. It says certified toxic free, 100% natural, a new evolution of healthy, scientifically advanced formulations, the biology of beautiful skin. I'm going to keep that because it's summertime. I am a factor 50 girl in the summer, but I'm a factor 30 in the winter. So I'm going to keep that. I'm not going to open it up. It's a naturally hydrating sunscreen with SPF 30. It's an Australian brand. I haven't ever tried the SPFs before. So those are all the products in the new Boots Festival edit. I think it's really great. I got it for, I think, £36 because I had a bit of a discount off it. There's some really lovely products in there. It's all scattered around me. Got a bit of everything, isn't it? You've got hair dye, you got lipstick, sun protection, moisturisers, mascaras, setting sprays. Oh, it is a jam-packed box, and I think, yeah, one of the better ones that they've brought out. That's what I think anyway. But as always, I'd love to hear what you think of it. Did you buy it? Or were you thinking, nah, do you know what? Not for me this time. I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.